All right, today we're going to show you a Parker-Majestic. This is their ID grinder. This is a manual machine with has reciprocating table, forward and reverse on the workhead, and the whole machine is pretty much adjustable on all the axes. You've got a swiveling table, a swiveling workhead, and you've got a slide here that you can make course adjustments back and forth with the actual spindle unit. And then you have your in feed here, and then you have your fine feed. You have a flip down dead stop. So we're going to go ahead and start the table. The table has this reciprocating function on it. Behind the hand wheel here, if you drop this guard down, there's an eccentric here. The closer you get to the center with this adjustment, the less of a movement it'll be. The further out you come, the longer a movement it'll be. So this is how they set it up for the ID grinding. Had this have been an external grinder, they would have had a stop set up over here to use the reversal that way for traveling longer distances. Because you're doing it a small ID bore here, they know you're not going to want to travel 3, 4, 5, 6 inches, so they have this system. If you want to get out of this, you pull this out and you can get out of here. Let's see. I have to stop the tail. The motor's always running unless you stop it. When you push this hand wheel in, you engage this again, so you can work with this by hand. When you want to work with it under power, you have to pull this out and then lift this gate up to get it to lock in there. It's a little tricky. There you go. Workhead. It's got a step pulley on here so you can change the speed, and you've got the 2 directions. And then the ID spindle. Coolant system is built right into the machine. Here's your pump. This whole thing slides out for you to clean it and fill it. There's a counterweight built into this to always keep constant pressure on the lead screw when you're bringing in and out the slide to take up on the backlash. Again, this is a Parker-Majestic. It's a tool room, a manual ID grinder. A manual in that you have to do the in-feed by hand. It's a nice condition, original condition. And it's currently wired for 220 volts. And I think that's about all you need to know. Thank you very much.